Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing some DIY headbands. So I'm actually not crafty at all, like I'm never doing DIYs, but I thought this DIY was super easy and simple and super inexpensive, so I was like, I'm gonna have to try it out. This headband that I was wearing on my last video kind of like inspired me to make some, and I realized like that they look super easy to make, so I'm gonna show y'all how I make them. I hope this goes well because like I said, I'm not a crafty person. So if you guys want to see how I make the headbands today, just continue. Alright guys, so these are the stuff that I'm going to be using today. So I got my E6000 glue. This like ranges in prices depending on what store you get it from. So I know it's like $2.99 at Target. And then these are all from the dollar store, so they're just different types of pearls. So obviously $1 each. And then my headbands, these I got from Amazon. They're just like a 1-inch headband, and they came in a pack of 4 and they were $9. I was trying to find some at Walmart or like the dollar store, but they didn't have any of these type of headbands. They only had like the elastic ones. So yeah, but I mean $9 isn't even bad. So, and then I got my tweezers. I got this little container just to put the pearls in there, just so they won't be like rolling around the table. And then I got this little cardboard just to put my glue on it. My headband for reference. I have like just like wipes just in case the glue gets messy. For the fabric, I'm gonna be using old clothing. So I have a bunch of old clothes that I never wear anymore, that I had for years and years and years. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna use some of the clothes that I don't ever wear anymore that have been in bags and boxes for the longest time ever. So that's what I'm gonna do. I cut out like 4 different types of fabric. This is the first fabric. It's just floral. You can tell I'm not fucking crafty or I don't do any DIYs because the way I cut these shits, oh my god. The next one is like a cheetah print. And then I have this olive floral print. And then I have like nude print. So I kind of just folded it in half and then I pinched it in the middle. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my headband and just make a knot. So right here, I'm just putting E6000 glue directly onto the headband. And then after that, I'm just going to put my fabric on the glue and just make sure everything is nice and glued together. And then for the inside of the headband, I'm just putting glue and just like kind of like folding each side of the fabric just to glue it down. At this moment, I was just thinking, wow, I really said it was going to be super easy in my intro, but boy, was I wrong. So the E6000 glue was just not working for me. It wouldn't really glue the fabric really good. So I started putting these clips on them so the fabric could just like be tight and that way it wouldn't open up. But yeah, it really didn't work out. So here I'm just putting more glue, doing the same thing to the other side. I almost fucking gave up with this video with this one. I almost gave up. This one was a test run and I'm not gonna do it like this again. Nope. It was just a fucking mess, basically. Did come out cute, but it's just like I gotta fix a lot of shit. It took me the longest fucking time. I guess because it was the first one, I didn't know what to do. So now I know. For the second one and for the other ones that I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna do it the same way I did this one. Hell no. The E6000 glue was just not it. It just was not it. It's not doing the job. I also suck at doing crafts, so like it's just a little mixture of everything. So whatever. I'm switching to a fucking hot glue gun. I'm over this fucking glue. I'm still gonna use it for the pearls, but I'm over the glue. I'm over that glue. Like, it's just like ruining my fucking crafts. It's ruining my crafts. We're giving this another chance. I'm trying it with the hot glue gun. Pray for me. I really hope this turns out good. The hot glue gun was a lifesaver for me. It was just so much easier after that. Everything was just flowing. But yeah, like just the fabric would stay on and it wouldn't move or anything. So yeah, don't try the E6000 glue unless, you know, you're trying it for something else. But for this specific thing, you should go with a hot glue gun. I went back with the hot glue gun and fixed the cheetah print headband, just a few things that were like loose and stuff, and yeah, that really helped. Do y'all see those little pearls just running away? I was so fed up at this point. Finally done. I'm done. I am so done. Let me just tell y'all, this little like DIY here, it made me realize why I don't do little DIYs, because I'm not patient enough. And I just I don't know, man. Like my mom and sister, they can do like crafts and stuff and they know exactly what to do. And I was just so lost. I was just like, there's people out there that love doing like crafts and they know exactly what to do and how to fix something and how to do it, and just like they know that. Okay, I am not that person. So this was a challenge for me. It really was. Like no. Like, did I get it done? Of course I fucking got it done. But did it take me so fucking long to do it? Yes, it did. It took me so long that I almost wanted to cry. I fucked some shit up. But you know what? I learned how to do something. Always watching DIY videos, but I'm never the type to actually go ahead and do one. So, this is like a video for y'all to watch, you know, to be entertained. If you are a crafty person, I would suggest you do this. And if you're not, give it a try. I mean, I'm not a crafty person at all, and it was a little struggle for me, but it wasn't like super hard, you know what I mean? It was just more like time consuming for me because I never do crafts, so it took me so long to do it. But if you are like a crafty person, it's not gonna take you long. It's the easiest thing ever. It's just like, I don't know. I really don't know. I do love how they turned out. I seriously love how they turned out. Things I did, that. I'm very proud of myself. Very proud of myself. Okay, so that was the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, help your girl out. I'm almost to 200 subscribers. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.